I'd gotten LinkedIn for my first time maybe a month before this course. One of the first things that we're supposed to do is send off our SSI score. And it's a score from 0 to 100. And I was sitting at a nice 2 at the beginning. 5 connections, maybe, friends that I went to high school with who had had it. Early on in the Uvaro journey, we're encouraged to reach out to find a mentor on LinkedIn to look over some of our projects. And it seems so difficult and so crazy to reach out to somebody who's busy in their full-time job in a career that you're hoping to land in one day and ask for feedback on a project that you're doing. But through Uvaro, I was able to find out that there is an infinite amount of resources in this online community where people are more than happy to take the time and to help you, regardless of whether they know you, if you have any common connections, just out of common decency. They were very accommodating. And the guests that came into Uvaro were so helpful. And when they said that they wanted to connect and help you out whenever they could, they really meant it. Now I'm so comfortable on it. I do a lot of my prospecting on it. I do a lot of my job hunts on it. I follow sales leaders and get information from them that way. I've reached out to sales leaders and found that it is such an awesome resource to get information and help from other people, and that it's shocking how open people are to sharing their stories and their help with you, no matter where they are. I thought that was wild. And I think my score is at like a 50 something now too. So it bumped up so fast after. There's not a chance that I would be able to make any of these advancements across LinkedIn if it wasn't for Uvaro.